When making natural cordage, the reverse twist knot is an effective way to maximize the tensile strength potential of the material. From tying shoes to stringing bows, cordage is a tool that is almost as versatile as a blade, which makes it a must-have in a wilderness survival scenario. And the reverse twist knot is an easy way to create rope out of the trees and plants around you. For this demonstration, I'll be using the inner bark of a striped maple, but you can use other and better fibrous materials as well. I'll cover the full process of harvesting and producing natural cordage in a separate video. The idea of the reverse twist knot is that you want the fibers of the twisting or active strand to rotate one way, just like that, and the whole active strand itself to rotate the other way around the non-active strand. So I'm twisting the fibers of the strand clockwise until it becomes stiff and tight. And now, still holding the fibers together, I'm going to wrap or rotate the whole strand counterclockwise around the other non-active strand. And when I'm holding the connecting ends down, I'm just using my thumb on my finger to grip it. And I'm going to repeat exactly what I just did, but now with the other strand. So I'm twisting the fibers clockwise and rotating this active strand around the non-active strand counterclockwise. And I'm switching to this strand again and doing the same twist one way, rotate the other way motion, and again, and again, and again. You always want the way the strands are turning to be the same. So every time I twist, I want to twist clockwise. And every time I rotate, I want to be rotating counterclockwise. And if I wanted to, I could have twisted counterclockwise and rotated clockwise. But whichever way it is, it has to stay consistent throughout the whole process, or else there just won't be a system of tension and you essentially won't be doing anything productive. Another thing to keep in mind is that when you're alternating strands, make sure to keep the point of connection nice and tight. One way to do this is to keep both strands at a Y-like angle so that the strands are being stretched enough so that the tension of the fibers glues them together at this connecting point. What's happening is that the twisted fibers want to go one way, but the rotating strand wants to go the opposite way. So the tension of these opposing forces actually binds the material together, since neither one is able to go the way it wants. And that is why, when I release my grip, these bindings are still locked together. So that's how to do the reverse twist knot in detail. Check out my other videos on wilderness survival and primitive living skills. That was True Survival. Thanks for watching.